this video, we will learn how to install FEG. Login into FEG machine. After logging into FEG machine, user must create a Compose installer file. Highlighted is the command used to create Compose installer file. Type the command and press enter. Insert the data for making the Compose installer file and save it using the command displayed on the screen. User must give permission to the created Compose installer file. Enter the command displayed on the screen to give permission for the file. Install the Compose installer file using the command displayed on the screen. The Compose installer file is successfully installed. Now, user must clone the zip file. The command used to clone the zip file is sudo wget, and followed by the path displayed on the screen. The file is zipped. Unzip the zip file using the command displayed on the screen. The file is unzipped. Go to the folder path displayed on the screen. Here, user must add 3 files, which are root.ca file, env file, and control proxy file. First, go to the root.ca file using the command displayed on the screen. Update the certificate and save the file. Go to the env file using the command displayed on the screen. Update the env file data and save the file. Go to the control proxy file using the command displayed on the screen. Update the control proxy data and save the file. Now all the 3 files are successfully updated. Run the command displayed on the screen to install the gateway. Run the command displayed on the screen to install FEG. All the components creation are done and installed successfully. Check whether FEG is successfully installed or not using the command displayed on the screen. Here, FEG is successfully installed. Thank you for watching this video.